because I kept checking. Somebody was like, I've been checking, sister, it's not working for me, and so please check it for me. And I was like, I don't want to do this, but then I was like, you know what, let me give it a try and check it. And then when I did, it says invalid. I was like, I'm typing everything. Is there a space before their name? Did they put some space there? I did that. It was still not working. Hello guys, welcome to Ofoi TV. Thank you for stopping by my channel to watch my videos. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be alerted whenever I drop a new video. But if you've been coming here and you have never subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Guys, those of you who have been selected for the DV2024, congratulations. Those of you who are yet to check, gather some confidence, okay, and check it. All right. And then those of you who have checked and you were not selected, I am so sorry about that, but just know that in October this year the registration is going to open again, and then you can apply. All right. Just don't give up. All right. But this video, I'm going to talk to you about those of you who have been experiencing difficulties with your confirmation number. You type in your confirmation number, you type in your surname, you type in your year of birth, and then the captcha, and then it tells you that you have invalid confirmation number, or your last name, or your date of birth. But you know your last name, you know your date of birth, so you know that those ones are not the problem. The problem might be your confirmation number, and you're wondering, I am typing the thing exactly as it is, so what is the problem? You know, why is this happening? Guys, the reason why you may be having problems with your confirmation number is that, you know, for most people who are, you know, a little bit tech savvy, right? Like those of us who are a little bit good with our phones, you take a screenshot of your confirmation page, or when you apply for the lottery last year, you save your confirmation page in your email or somewhere, but it's on your phone, and so you use your finger to copy your confirmation number, and then you place it in there, right? You place it in the confirmation column. Well, the thing is that as you copy and you place it into the confirmation number column, your the numbers, the zero takes place of the O's. So if your confirmation number contains an O, when you copy it and paste it in there, when you copy your confirmation number from the document that, you know, your confirmation page, and you paste it in the column for the confirmation number, the system automatically changes what the zeros, the O's into zeros. So if you have a letter O in your confirmation number, the system changes it to a 0. So please look at that particular number, because so far the ones that I have seen, that has been the problem. I tested it and it showed me that. Okay, so make sure if you are copying the confirmation number from your, and to me it's advisable you copy, because it makes it easier for you not to type the wrong information. But when you copy your confirmation number from, you know, whether you copy from your phone, you know, from the picture that you took of the confirmation page, and then you paste it in the confirmation number column, please look at it again to make sure that the O, it should be an O, rounded O, and then 0 is an oval shape. 0 is more of an oval shape, and then O is more of a rounded one. So just make sure that you there's not no interchanging. I don't know why the system does that, because even on your confirmation page, the zeros are indicated with like a cross between them, a cross in the 0, right? Those are the zeros. Just make sure that the O's and the zeros are not change in the system when you check your confirmation number. And aside that, if that is not your problem, then look to make sure that all the other alphabets and numbers that look similar, make sure that they have not been changed by the system. Okay, this, like I said, I tried it and I saw that, oh, because I kept checking. Somebody was like, I've been checking, sister, it's not working for me, and so please check it for me. And I was like, I don't want to do this, but then I was like, you know what, let me give it a try and check it. And then when I did, it says invalid. I was like, I'm typing everything. Is there a space before their name? Did they put some space there? I did that. It was still not working. And then when I copied the confirmation number and put it there again, I was like, wait a minute. Why is it showing me two zeros when this person's confirmation number has only 1 0, right? Because it had changed the O into a 0, right? So please double check that and see if that was your problem. All right, but guys, keep trying. It's gonna work. If the website is crashing on you, know that it might not be from your local network. I'm talking about, your internet service from your country. It might not be that place. It's just that there's too much traffic on the website. But make sure that you check as soon as possible so that you can begin your journey. All right. And those of you who have not been selected, no, you are free to check as many times as you want to. Okay, you are free to check as many times as you want to. I haven't seen any evidence of somebody not getting selected and then later they were selected. I've heard of stuff like that, but I have not actually seen evidence of that. But hey, if you want to keep checking, because it doesn't cost you any money to do that. All right, but just remember that October will be another registration and then we can apply again. But congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. If you want to be part of my Wofoi TV Telegram group, it is solely winners who have been verified that they are actually winners. If you want to be part of that group, just send me an email with a screenshot of your winning letter so that I know that you have actually won before you can be added to the group. But thank you guys for sticking around watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. Those of you who have subscribed, I thank you so much. Follow me on Facebook, Wofoi TV. Thank you. I'll meet you on my next video. Bye-bye.